up, champ gang? If you're here, I want to say welcome to the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, before we get started, please push that subscribe button, like this video after you watch it. And if I was beneficial to you, I would appreciate that. And of course, I know that if you're here because you saw the title, How to Make $200 in one day. Okay. In the middle of COVID, in the middle of shutdowns, in the middle of a hard time for everyone. Not just for a personal reason, but everyone's going through a hard time for the most part. More people than none, I should say. So I said I'm going to show you guys, if you're in a crunch, how you can make a quick $200 in one day. Now, I know a lot of us have things in our closets that we, haven't wore, seen, paid attention to, whatever you want to say. We just don't touch them. I know I do. Like, I have clothes in my closet I'm not going to wear. I'm just not going to wear. And so today I gathered up all those items and a few other items around the house that I wasn't going to use. Like, for example, in my situation, I have a grandbaby. She's grown out of a lot of stuff. So you know where I'm going with this. So I'm going to take these clothes, and for those of you who don't know, there's consignment shops that will buy those items from you. So I've gathered up a lot of things that I'm not going to wear. I gathered up a lot of things that my granddaughter cannot wear anymore. And instead of just giving them away to Goodwill, or for the most part, sometimes you just give them away to people who need them. But right now, I need $200 in cash. Journey to see if I can tally up this $200 in cash, because they paying cash money. And I also have another solution. Depending on what I come up with, the balance, I'm actually going to go do a delivery service. Now, the delivery services that I do, because I do multiple ones, Grubhub, DoorDash, I think those are the only two that I do right now, because I don't do Postmates right now. To me, it was just running a little bit slower in this area. Every area for each of the services, I've noticed is different because I've moved in a few different places, so I can kind of tell. So that's another thing that I do on the side, especially around with COVID right now. You can just put on your mask. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to be filming in the consignment shop. Sometimes that makes people a little uncomfortable because they don't want to be filmed, and I try not to get people on film. But I will be taking you guys along with me. Okay, so here are a few of the items that I gathered up from her. It's not a whole lot, but every little bit counts. I'm not really sure about the diapers. Those are just diapers that she couldn't fit anymore. I'll probably just end up giving those to somebody. And also here in the hallway are my 2 tubs that I'm going to be taking to the consignment store. Purses, shoes, some jewelry, and a lot of outfits, dresses, pants. So let's see what they do. So I'm here at the first consignment shop. So she told me it'll be 20 minutes, so I'm just here waiting in the car. I'm a little excited to see what the outcome is going to be, because the faster I can get to $200, the faster I can wrap this up. So we'll see. They do discount the clothes because they got to make their money too, so that's understandable. So you don't get a whole lot for your items, but it definitely adds up the more stuff that you bring. And I think some of them have a limit to like 1 tub or 2 tubs, because I always put everything in the tubs. And but they each different. Like some places will say 1 tub. But like I say, I'm excited. And the lady told me that they don't take anything that's past 2018 because they want to keep the store new. So that's definitely understandable, because this particular one that I went to is more of an upscale consignment shop. So whatever they don't take, I'm going to take to the other consignment shop and see if I can get anything from those items. So I'm going to try my best to get rid of everything that I brought out, and whatever I didn't, I'll just probably end up giving to donating to, you know, Goodwill or somewhere that will take it, or somebody who needs it. We'll figure that out. But the gold is $200, so I'll be you guys. So I'm just now leaving the first consignment shop, and that one I only got $45. So yeah, that was a little disappointing because I know there was a brand new pair of shoes that were in there, actually two brand new pair of brand name shoes, and those shoes itself was probably worth more than that. So I kind of feel like I got robbed, you guys, but I'm no quitter, so I'm off to the next one. So 45 up, so let's go. Made it here to the consignment shop, so let's see. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, you guys, so I just dropped off the clothes, and normally they say it'll be a little wait, so she said 20 minutes. So instead of waiting in the store, shopping around, and possibly spending more money, I decided to leave because I'm hungry. So I'm getting ready to go get something to eat, and then I'll go back there. So today I'm feeling like having some hot heads. It's like a kind of like a Chipotle. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so while we wait, I'm gonna eat my food and then let's talk. So right now we got $45. Okay, so that means we gotta come up with $155 before today is over. I'm thinking, depending on what I get from this store, I only have one more store to go to, and that's with the baby clothes. So then after that, because I'm pretty sure with all of this, it's not going to come up to $200. So then the next game plan is going to be to deliver. What I mean by deliver food is I'm going to use one of the delivery services to get my $200 for today. Now, I usually do, if I want to make extra cash, I do Grubhub, DoorDash, but today, I'm probably going to have to do Grubhub. And I'll probably do another tutorial on my experiences with being a delivery driver. So stay tuned for that, because it probably can help a lot of people, because you can make some nice money on the side with doing that. And I won't go into details on this particular one, but I'm gonna save that one, because sorry if I'm smacking some great advice, but I told y'all I was hungry, and I was so serious. I was not playing. I'm starving. And this is so good, y'all. One of my favorite spots. I just like food, period. But when you think about it, it hasn't actually been a whole day, because I just got started and it's like 5:30. And I just left the house probably like 2 hours ago. So it'll be more like how to make $200 in a few hours. If I make it, y'all. 155 to go, y'all. And I think it's actually been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and finish this food and go back in there. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I just got back in the car from picking up what was left that they didn't take, but I did get $80, so that's good. Yay! So that leaves us with, let's see, that's 80, 45, that's 125. So now we got $75 left to get. Okay, so I got one more consignment shop to go to with the baby stuff, so let's see what we get. Okay, you guys, so I dropped the clothes off, and I was told that they probably won't be ready for an hour. So instead of waiting around, I'm gonna go ahead, because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get $75 off of the baby stuff to make the goal. So I'm gonna just go ahead and Grubhub, and I can't film while I'm doing this, so I'll just keep you guys updated on how much I make with that. It's almost and then come back here 8 o'clock, right, and I've done 3 orders so far, and I've made $32. So I'm gonna do one more order, and then I'm gonna go back and pick up what's left of the clothes and the payment, and let's see what we got. The store to pick up the clothes and the profit. So I just did, instead of one more order, I did 2 more orders, and my total with the orders are $56. Yes, $56. So let's see how much we get off these clothes. I'm getting nervous. Guys, okay, so all right, y'all. They didn't take as much of the clothes as I thought they were going to take of the baby clothes, but they did take a lot of the newer stuff that wasn't open yet. And I did make $38. Cha-ching. So with that, my total for today is $218. Yay! So I did make the quota. And I have to be honest though, I didn't go out until like after 2 o'clock. And so it wasn't actually a whole day. Had I went out earlier, I probably could have did more orders and made a lot more money for today. But hey, I can't complain because we did it. I made an extra $200. So you could do it. Just find some things around the house that you don't use anymore. I actually have a camera that I was thinking about taking out today, but I'm gonna probably do that another day because this was just an experiment to see if I could do it. So there you have it. You want to make some extra money, do the delivery services if you can, if you're in a position to do that. Do giveaways to the consignment shops with your clothes. Just go through your closet, go through your shoes, you know, stuff you ain't wearing that's real nice, you know, that you know you haven't worn a while. So, and if you're like me, you like to have new stuff, so just wear it sometime, put it away, give it to them, and recycle. Nice. You always have, at least I know I do. So there's a few ideas. I'm gonna try to come up with some more things later on in the future to give you to make some extra cash, because there's so many creative things that you can do with the stuff that they didn't take that I had left. Who knows, I might put them on a offer up or something like that, or because of COVID I probably won't do that. I'll probably just go ahead and donate them to like a service to Goodwill or something like that. But that's my time for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped and gave you some encouragement to get out here and make some money, baby. Look at that money. So that's my time for today. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to post a comment so I know that you're there. And if you have any ideas or things that you would like for me to put out here, then please do that. I will always read my comments and I will always respond. And with that being said, Champ Gang out.